Hey there, welcome back to Health and Fitness Tips. And today we'll be talking about natural cures for insomnia and sleeplessness. There are a lot of people out there that suffer from insomnia. So today we decide to make a video on this very topic and give you some helpful tips and tricks to get you some good sleep at night. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with setting a specific time to wake up and go to sleep. This helps you reschedule your body and trains your body to get into sleep mode when it is finally time to sleep. Moving on to tip number 2, which is restricting your screen time, especially before sleeping. As using a phone or a laptop before sleeping keeps your brain in activity mode and doesn't allow it to get into rest mode. So it is best if you put your phone away when you finally decide on getting some sleep. Next comes avoiding caffeine as well as alcohol anytime before sleeping, as this can deter your sleeping patterns and lead to you not being able to sleep. Moreover, you also have to make sure that you're not sleeping in the middle of the day, as this is also something that can be helpful to help you get some good sleep at night for obvious reasons. And if you still can't get to sleep, you can try counting till 1,000. This has also been seen to work for some people. And even if you're not able to sleep, you do not have to make yourself feel anxious or pressure yourself about sleeping, as this is the exact opposite of what we want to do. The next tip that we have for you is not eating sugary or sweet things before sleeping. Rather, if you want to or need to eat something before sleeping, try eating dairy products like yogurt or milk. You can also try listening to relaxing music and see if that works for you. If not, reading a book when you're trying to go to sleep is also something that has worked for many. This can be very helpful for people dealing with insomnia or sleep deprivation. Moving on to another special tip that we have for you, which is using lavender oil. You can use it to massage your neck and back before jumping into a hot shower, which is also something that has been proven to help with insomnia or sleep deprivation. Or you can also ingest small amounts of it. Both of these things have helped people dealing with insomnia. The next tip that we have for you is sleeping in colder environments. This has been proven to help in sleeping, but this doesn't mean that you need to freeze yourself to sleep. Just the amount of cold that you're comfortable with will work fine. Moving on to our next tip, which is drinking kava before sleeping. This can help as it lessens the amount of sugar in your blood, which makes you feel a bit sleepy and tired, and hence is something that helps with insomnia or sleep deprivation. The next tip that we have for you is a more commonly known tip, which is exercising within the day. This helps exhaust and tire your body out, so you are able to better sleep when it is time for it. This could be just you playing your favorite sport, like basketball or soccer. This was also seen in a study that was conducted in 2015, where it was shown that people who were exercising around 2.5 hours a week or more were less likely to suffer from insomnia and sleep deprivation. It is also recommended that you should avoid eating a full meal before trying to sleep. Try to have your meal at least 2 to 3 hours before you're going to sleep. Next comes eating food throughout the day but not during the night, as most foods are sugary, so it is advisable to not eat them at night, especially if you're suffering from insomnia and sleeplessness. Moving on to using sleep masks. This is something that can be very helpful for people that get annoyed with even a bit of light. Moreover, this also helps to relax your mind, and using it regularly trains your mind to get into sleep mode whenever you wear it. So this is also something that you can give a try, as this has worked for many in the past. Next comes eating egg whites. These are protein rich and can be helpful to add in your diet. Also, don't forget to include quinoa in your diet if you can, as it is not only high in protein but also has a lot of magnesium, both of which are often affiliated with good night's sleep. Now, a bonus tip, which is mixing honey in mild hot water or milk and drinking it. This is also another thing that can be helpful in getting you some good sleep. Many people have reported that this has worked for them greatly. Another thing that you can do to get rid of insomnia or sleep deprivation is imagine yourself sleeping. Oftentimes, when a person is trying to sleep, there are quite a few thoughts that overcome their mind, due to which they can't sleep. In this case, you can try to think about sleeping and resting when you can't get your mind free of thoughts. This also helps your mind forget about other things and thoughts and try to get into deep slumber. Last but not the least, here is a unique tip. All you need to do for this is massaging your eyelids whilst they're closed and whilst you're trying to sleep. You slowly brush your hands down whilst your eyelids are closed, and this can really help relax your eyes and help you in getting some good sleep. That's about it for this video. Found this video about insomnia and sleeplessness interesting and helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any related queries, feel free to use the comment section below, and we'll make sure to get back to you.